Now let's go and add a filtering inside our index page so we can filter our data inside our data table. So let's go to our index page of for the brands, and in here let's create a new input to search or filter our records. So for that, at the top of my page before the table, I will create a new form in here. So form, then set the action of this to exactly same as for our brand. So the same URL, it should be same URL that you access your brand. So let's copy this and paste it here by typing URL brand. Then after that, the method of this form should be also exactly same as the method of the page. So in here, the method of our index page or our main page is get. So I'm going to write get in here. Then after that, inside this, we will create a new input with a type of text. Give it a name also. Let's call it search field, and class of form control. That's it. Now finally let's add a button also. So button type submit, and the text should be search. Okay, that's it for our index page. Now we have our input, our form, and our submit button to search. Then let's go inside the controller, brand controller. In here in the top in the index page where we fetch all our records. Instead of all, we will type when $request dash our field name which we give in here search field. If it's available, in that case run this callback function, and we will pass the query as a parameter. Then inside this we will return our query with our where any condition. So in here we will type where any, so we can be able to search inside multiple columns. Then in the first parameter of this we will pass all our column names, which is name and slug. If you want to add more columns, you can add there also. Then in the second parameter of this we will call our request search field. That's it. Things that we have to add here is request $ request, so we can get the user input, and also after the query, after this you have to type use $request. Put this inside the brackets. That's it. Everything is set. Now let's go to our page brands, refresh this. Okay, we forgot to add the get method in here. Now everything is set. Let's go and refresh. Okay, we have our input and also we have our search. So in here, if I want to search, for example, this record, so let's copy this and paste it here, click search. We got that record inside our table. Now let's remove everything and search based on the slug. So let's search based on the slug and paste it here. Now we got that record, but in here the problem is that we have to write full name. If I write some part of the name and click search, it will not return the result. So instead of this we can use the like method. So let's write here like, and before the request we have to pass the percentage sign, then dot, and we have to type same thing in here also. Now our query will search based on a like. So now if I go and in here type half of the name and click search, it will bring me all the result which have that clean inside their name. So as you guys can see, this have in here and this is have in here the word. If I even type a small letter, for example this, and paste it in here, click search, it will bring me the result